So this subject classes is very much important. So attend the classes. This subject sounds to be very simple and easy, but if you do not attend the classes or do not go through the notes which I will share with you, you might have a back paper. And the questions in your final examination, maybe your sessional or semester examination, questions will be absolutely from the notes which I'll be sharing with you. And if you have any doubts in my notes which I'll be sharing with you, you can ask me. And even you students, if you want, you can get in touch with me through WhatsApp. This is my calling number as well, the number which I have in WhatsApp group. You can call me as well, but calling time is from morning 8 a.m. till um 11 p.m. After this, please do not call me, or before 8, do not call me, because I also need some sleep. So let me show you the what is that, your syllabus. What are the things which we are going to cover in this class? You can see in your screen, huh? Very soon. Wait, it is uploading. Wait, it is getting uploaded. Now you can see something in your screen. Is it visible for you? Guys, please do respond.
We can see.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Wait. This is first sem, third sem. You don't need third sem now. This is the fifth sem. See, this is the content of your course, which I'm going to cover: introduction and ice breaking, personality development, personal grooming and hygiene, positive attitude, dress code ethics. Ethics means the rules which you need to follow. Dress code ethics, then interpersonal skills, that means time management, anger management, self management, then presentation skills. Presentation skills is, it's we are not talking about your PowerPoint presentation. What I'm talking about is your how will you present yourself in front of everyone. This is your presentation skills. And goal settings, we all need to set some goals, how to set the goals, everything. I'll be talking about the goal settings. I'll be showing you PowerPoint presentations. And then team management, how to manage a team, that one. And lastly, that is, it's not 5.1, huh? It is 5.10. Then since it is prepared in Excel, then that is the reason it is showing like this. Last is interview skills and effective feedback. This is what we are going to train you in this semester. This is what we are going to train you on. Today is the first class. It is introduction and ice breaking. That's why it's I'm not taking it very deeply. Only the overview of the class I'm giving you. You have any questions, you can ask me. You have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay. At length, if you want to see, I can show you. Wait, I'll show you. See, introduction of the trainer and audience. This is what icebreaking is. Personality development. What are the things which we are going to cover? I have mentioned it here. Then personal grooming. These are the things which we are going to cover. Positive attitude. These are the things which we are going to cover. Dress code ethics, interpersonal skills, presentation skills, goal setting, team management, interview skills. Everything is written out here. You'll get the notes for every topic which I have mentioned here, and this is approved for syllabus. So you'll be getting all the things. I mean, handouts and notes and everything. And the questions which I have set for your examination, it is absolutely based on the notes which I will be sharing with you. So civil engineering students, if possible, Raju, Since you are the spokesperson for this class, I would request you, or Madhusmita Haloi. Madhusmita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Madhusmita, tell me your mobile number.
600.
Wait, Madhusmita. 600
100
100
70
70.
63.
Okay. Madhusmita, along with Raju, you are also the person with whom I'll be getting in touch in terms of this subject. You are the meeting will end for person February. You are the spokesperson for me as well for this class. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
Madhusmita along with Raju and Donkon. This meeting is going to over within 5 minutes. It is giving me a pop-up. So let's wrap up for today, and please send me the attendance. Please collect the attendance from everyone. What I need is your name and roll number. That's it. Name and roll number. So that I can put it in the ERP as well. Okay. Donkon, are you there? Donkon, are you there? Vidusmita, you can hear me? Yeah. Okay. Very
Okay,
good.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then we will be meeting in the next class again. Uh, Follow the class timing: civil engineering 10 a.m. in the morning, and for mechanical 1 p.m. Be there in the class. I'll be sharing the notes. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. And it is going to end very soon. That's why I'm wrapping it up fast. Thank you so much, everyone. Stay safe and stay blessed.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.